Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Han. Today I want to share with you this beautiful ocean seascape with a small boat here. So and then time is the sunset timing. So some cloud. I want to make some dramatic story in the here. So okay, first I'm going to use the color magenta. This color is the mixture of the cerulean blue and cobalt blue, yellow ochre, yellow, orange, and red. So brushes, Hwahong and Da Vinci matte brush. Okay, first with the paper, the sky area. So I'm going to use the watercolor technique for the sky. So 2 or 3 times apply the water on the sky area. So straight in with some clean water and back and forth. Okay. Okay, and let the water soak into the paper for a few moments. Okay. Okay, I think good. So take some cerulean blue and cobalt blue mixed color. Brush stroke back and forth. Still, this paper holds a lot of water, so you can mix any color put on here, and then they mix the smudge with that color by themselves. So next, I'm gonna get some little dark, strong color. This is the second layer on the sky area. Okay, yellow mix orange. Now still holds this paper a lot of water here, so one more time. Tilt the paper back and forth, side to side. Okay. And I wanna paint the sunset area. Yellow mix orange. Okay, next I want to put the very strong cloud put on the sky area. So I want to use the mixture of blue mix magenta. So I want to get a strong and thick color. Still this paper very much wet, So when I'm paint this on this paper, my brush move very quick. I don't want to leave some mark on the sky area. Okay, all right, so move on to water, ocean area. Take a blue mix magenta color, so I'm going to try a little bit of light ocean color. Orange mix yellow and some of this yellow ochre. This is the reflected from the sun. So orange and some of the yellow. I'm gonna add some this yellow ochre one more time. Okay, all done this painting. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. And please don't forget subscribe and hit the like button, and also join my Instagram. And I look forward to seeing you all again. See you. Bye.